Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at CreditLady.com, and we are going to continue the series that we're working in, which is entitled Building Good Business Credit if your goal is to access business credit and business funding. Now, these Credit Lady gems that I will be dropping on a daily basis, which is the goal, are designed to be 5 minutes or less. Again, that's the goal. I just want to give tips and tools for those who are looking to build out their business credit file properly. Whether you go with me, someone else, or you try to do this on your own, you want to make sure that you're doing each step the proper way. And the ultimate goal is to get business funding. So before submitting any loan applications, you want to make sure that you have these things already in play. Now, today I'm going to be dropping gem number 4, and that is entitled Entity Selection. So let's go ahead and jump right in it. So if you are new to this world of building out a business credit profile, you may not quite understand what a business entity is. So I'm just going to give you a brief definition of exactly what that is. So a business entity is an organization that has formed itself as a business, and there are several types of business entities. We have sole proprietorships, we have general partnerships, and those are considered unincorporated businesses, right? So a limited liability company will have some liability protections for their investors. And it's always good to have a business that protects its investors. And it's also important, if your goal is to get funding through a loan or credit cards, that you have an entity in place, because it gives your business more credibility and increases the odds of you actually getting an approval. Another reason that it's important to set up a business entity, or the right business entity for your specific business. Let's say you're someone who's going to be looking for investors. Just know that most investors, formal investors, prefer to invest in entities that are set up as a C corporation. The biggest reason is because they have more favorable taxation rules. Unlike LLCs, C Corps shareholders are not taxed on company profits unless profits are distributed. So if you're someone who is going to go down that road and you're going to say, hey, I want to expand, grow, or look for people to invest in my business, a C corporation is one that is most preferred by people who are going to be looking to possibly or potentially invest in your business. So make sure you do your homework on exactly which one is best for you. Now, the final point that I want to make in this particular Credit Lady gem is to make sure that you set up your entity in the same state as the business address. As I have been stating throughout this whole process, is that the goal is to get funding and to get funding quickly. And the less questions that you have to answer when you're submitting these loan applications, the better. So if you have too many name variations or you have too many address variations, that's going to cause red flags, and it's going to have underwriters asking questions, right? So make sure that everything is cohesive, everything matches, everything makes sense. This helps to avoid delays, and it also helps to avoid application declines. So always make sure that you set up your business entity in the same state as the address you have on file. So I hope gem number 4 has been most helpful to you, and I am providing you some good information to help you build out that business profile so that you can reach your goal of business funding. So I'll be back soon with another Credit Lady gem. Until then, I hope you have yourself a wonderful and a very blessed and prosperous day.